everyone. Welcome back into the Homestead Kitchen. My name is Therese, and along with my husband Kevin and our son Andrew, we make up the Homesteading Hills, and we're so glad that you stopped by the kitchen today. So today we're going to continue on with our theme of Easter recipes. We're going to do our dessert today. This is one of my favorite desserts. It tastes a lot like spring. It's very light and very lemony and really yummy. It's also somewhat of what I would consider a cheat recipe because we use a box mix and some other boxed ingredients. But it is worth it, and we do it one time a year. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how to make this delicious dessert for your Easter dinner. For this recipe, you're only going to need 5 ingredients: a box of lemon cake mix, a box of lemon pudding, 1 can of Mountain Dew, 4 eggs, and 3/4 cup of oil. So the first thing you're going to need to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I've already taken care of that. So the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and add our box of lemon cake mix into our bowl. So we add the cake mix in. Then we're going to add our Jell-O pudding in. Lemon flavored, of course. The next thing that goes in is 4 eggs. I'm going to crack my eggs individually into a bowl. We have farm fresh eggs. I need to make sure that they're all in good shape. We have no surprises. So far these eggs are looking beautiful. Our girls work hard and do a great job for us. We're very lucky that way. If you're going to start with any animal on the homestead, one of the easiest ones to start with is chickens. And look at that, guys. Look how beautiful those look. The next thing I'm going to go ahead and add in is our 3/4 cup of oil. I need to go ahead and incorporate all this in together, and so I'm going to put the blender on medium low and just get this blended. Now we've got the egg yolks and the eggs broken up, so I'm going to add 1/2 can of our Mountain Dew in. The Mountain Dew needs to be room temperature, guys. So room temperature Mountain Dew, 1/2 can, a little more. We're going to blend this in for about 30 seconds. I'm going to add the rest of the can of Mountain Dew in, and we're going to blend for 2 minutes. Okay guys, this is a bundt recipe. So I've oiled the bundt pan and prepared it to take on our batter here, and I'm going to add the batter into the bundt pan now. So we'll be baking this cake at the 350 degrees for 45 minutes. So our timer went off and our cake is done. So I'm going to take it out. It needs to sit in the pan for 10 minutes before we transfer it onto a plate to finish cooling. Now we're going to remove the cake from the bundt pan, put it on our plate, let it finish cooling, and then we'll frost it. Okay guys, now our cake has completely cooled, so we're ready to frost it. The frosting is super simple, guys. It's literally 3 cups of powdered sugar to about a 1/4 cup of Mountain Dew. So I'm going to go ahead and open our Mountain Dew. Again, this is room temperature Mountain Dew. If we need to add a little more, we'll just start with a 1/4 cup and add until we get the consistency that we like. So I'm just going to continue to stir this together. I did add a little more Mountain Dew to it because I want to be able to kind of drizzle this over the top. That's how I like it. So we're just going to continue to stir this until it's smooth. And I like how this is coming together. This is going to be really nice, guys. This is such a nice cake. I hope you give it a try. It really does lend itself to an Easter supper. Very nice. So now I'm just going to simply drizzle this frosting right over the top of the cake. And just like that, guys, we'll let it sit. There you have it. There's your dessert for your Easter dinner.